What if I told you there's a place on Earth where humans have never set foot? A frontier so vast and unexplored that we know more about the surface of Mars than this mysterious realm right beneath our noses? Picture this, an area covering 95% of our planet's living space, where the pressure can crush a human body in milliseconds, where creatures glow like living stars, and where entire ecosystems thrive in eternal darkness. We're talking about the deep ocean, Earth's final frontier. While we've mapped every crater on the moon and sent rovers to distant planets, we've explored less than 5% of our own oceans. That means 65% of Earth's surface remains as alien to us as the depths of space. Today, we're diving into the most remote, dangerous, and scientifically fascinating places our planet has to offer. From crushing depths where mountain-sized creatures roam to underwater deserts where time seems frozen, we'll explore why the deep ocean holds secrets that could revolutionize our understanding of life itself. But here's what I want to know from you. If you could explore any mysterious place on Earth, where would you go? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. To understand why the deep ocean remains Earth's greatest mystery, we need to grasp just how alien this world really is. Imagine descending into the abyss. At 200 meters down, sunlight vanishes completely. This is where the midnight zone begins, a realm of perpetual darkness that extends down to 4,000 meters. But even that's just the beginning. Below lies the abyssal zone, stretching to 6,000 meters deep, followed by the Hadal zone, the deepest trenches that plunge down 11,000 meters. To put this in perspective, if Mount Everest were placed in the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be 2,000 meters underwater. The pressure at these depths is mind-crushing, literally. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the pressure is 1,100 times greater than at sea level. That's equivalent to having 50 jumbo jets pressing down on every square meter of your body. But here's where it gets fascinating. This isn't just empty water. The deep ocean contains 99% of Earth's living space. While we crowd together on less than 30% of the planet's surface, an entire universe of life exists in this three-dimensional aquatic realm. Scientists estimate that between 500,000 to 2 million species live in the deep ocean, yet we've identified fewer than 240,000 marine species total. This means we're potentially missing 80% of all ocean life. In comparison, we've cataloged 95% of land-based vertebrates. The deep ocean isn't uniform either. It contains underwater mountain ranges taller than the Himalayas, trenches deeper than any canyon, and volcanic systems that dwarf anything on land. The mid-ocean ridge system spans 65,000 kilometers, longer than any mountain range on Earth's surface. In 1977, scientists made a discovery that changed everything we thought we knew about life on Earth. Near the Galapagos Islands, 2,500 meters below the surface, they found something impossible: thriving ecosystems around volcanic vents where temperatures reach 400 degrees, hot enough to melt lead. These hydrothermal vents revealed life forms that seemed ripped from science fiction. Giant tube worms, 2 meters long, with no mouth, no stomach, and no digestive system. Instead, they host bacteria that convert toxic chemicals into energy. It was our first glimpse of life powered not by the sun, but by Earth's internal chemistry. But the discoveries kept coming. In 2019, researchers exploring the Puerto Rico Trench found bioluminescent creatures creating light shows 8,000 meters deep. These organisms produce their own light through chemical reactions, painting the abyss in blues, greens, and ethereal whites. Then came the megafauna, creatures so large they challenged our understanding of deep-sea life. In 2020, scientists discovered a siphonophore near Australia measuring 46 meters long, longer than a blue whale. This wasn't a single animal, but a colonial organism made of thousands of individual creatures working as one. The deep ocean revealed ecosystems that operate on completely different rules. Take the marine snow, a constant shower of organic particles drifting down from the surface. This biological blizzard feeds entire communities thousands of meters below, creating an inverted food web where nutrients rain from above. Recent expeditions have uncovered even more bizarre phenomena. In the Mariana Trench, scientists found pools of liquid carbon dioxide and discovered that some deep-sea creatures live for centuries. One Greenland shark was estimated to be 400 years old, alive since before the American Revolution. Perhaps most intriguing are the Extremophile bacteria living near thermal vents. These organisms thrive in conditions that would instantly kill surface life. Temperatures exceeding boiling point, crushing pressure, and toxic chemical soups. They're forcing us to reconsider what constitutes the limits of life. Why have we explored so little of our own oceans? The answer lies in the sheer difficulty of deep-sea exploration. While space might seem more challenging, it's actually easier in many ways. Space is a vacuum, but it's predictable. The deep ocean is actively trying to crush, corrode, and consume anything we send down. Building a deep-sea submersible is like engineering a spacecraft, but one that must withstand pressures equivalent to the weight of 2,000 elephants on every square meter. The materials must resist corrosion from salt water while maintaining structural integrity under impossible stress. Only a handful of humans have ever reached the deepest parts of our oceans. More people have been to space than to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. In fact, 12 people have walked on the moon, but only 4 have reached Challenger Deep, the ocean's deepest point. Current technology is finally catching up to our ambitions. Autonomous underwater vehicles equipped with advanced cameras and sensors are mapping the seafloor in unprecedented detail. The Ocean Census project, launched in 2023, aims to discover 100,000 new marine species over the next decade. But we're racing against time. Climate change is altering deep ocean currents that have remained stable for millions of years. Ocean acidification is affecting creatures whose adaptations took eons to develop. Deep-sea mining threatens to destroy ecosystems we haven't even discovered yet. The implications extend far beyond Earth. If life can thrive in the extreme conditions of our deep oceans, what does this mean for the possibility of life on Europa, Jupiter's ice-covered moon, or in the subsurface oceans of Saturn's moon Enceladus? The organisms we find in Earth's abyss might be our best guide to recognizing life elsewhere in the universe. Scientists are also discovering that the deep ocean plays a crucial role in global climate regulation. Deep-sea currents transport heat around the planet, while ocean trenches store vast amounts of carbon. Understanding these systems isn't just academic curiosity, it's essential for predicting our planet's future. So here we stand at the edge of Earth's final frontier, a realm that covers most of our planet yet remains more mysterious than distant galaxies. The deep ocean challenges our assumptions about life, pushes the boundaries of exploration, and holds secrets that could reshape our understanding of Earth's history and future. Every expedition into the abyss returns with discoveries that rewrite textbooks. Every new species found expands our definition of what's possible. Every ecosystem explored reveals connections we never imagined between the deepest trenches and our daily lives. But perhaps the most profound revelation is this: on a planet we thought we knew, vast worlds remain hidden. The deep ocean reminds us that mystery and wonder aren't confined to distant stars. They exist right here, in the crushing depths beneath our feet. The next time you look at the ocean's surface, remember that you're seeing less than 1% of Earth's true living space. Below lies a universe as alien and magnificent as anything science fiction has imagined. What discoveries await in the depths? What creatures have yet to be found? What secrets about life itself remain locked in the abyss? The answers are down there, waiting in the dark, ready to change everything we think we know about our own planet. If this journey into Earth's hidden frontier fascinated you, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And let me know in the comments, what aspect of deep-sea exploration intrigues you most? Your curiosity drives every episode we create. Until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary world around us.